Looks like perfectly clear jello.
Draw it along it.
Okay. Slicing it like a turkey.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Just melting the two. Temperature warning on the iPhone. That is looking good. When you tilt it up, the phone screen comes on. 1. Woo! There it goes. Woo! There it goes. Okay, here comes that ballistic gel. Whoa, my God. It's moving like a super clear rectangular. The initial impact, it looks like it's like a giant water drop, just like, looks like it partially popped out on impact. Did it survive? Feels warm. It's still on? Nice. We do actually have some damage on the sides and corners right here and right here.